So against the other two Skitterbot colors. Or Norris, really. I'm scratching the phone. Yeah, this side's getting screwed. See? See, it flips over, so it gets itself unstuck. Skitterbots are the coolest little bot ever. They're a lot like Hexbugs, but a lot faster. A lot faster. Uh-oh, batteries are dying now.